Hello friends, so today we are going to learn what to trade on for the next week in the market. So basically this is a trading view and I have my own strategy that I'm going to share with you. That is my secret strategy, so that I have made one indicator, and this was the privacy reason I cannot share with you or cannot publish it into the trading view. So what I'm going to do now is, like you can see, I have already opened the trading view, and I will take you through all the stocks. Is that it is not actually the recommendation, but you can buy based on my conviction, and I will share that my why I am so much convinced also for that particular shares or for my particular trading activity. Like why I am doing like just this kind of trading only, and with this methodology only. So let's start. So let's say we'll start with Tata Motors. We will just look at the chart first. We will launch the chart and we will have our one setup ready. Yes, so it is loading, and these are the basically fundamentally sound stocks that I have selected. So I have selected that on based on the EPS growth, and the market cap, and I guess that's it, or one or two more based on fundamental indicators. So these are the fundamentally sound stocks. There is no doubt about that. You will not find any kind of stocks which are mostly operator driven. That you can see here. You must have heard almost all the stocks names if you are trading from last even 1 year. Even I am trading also from last 1 year. So basically, this is my first YouTube video, so I hope I will not bore you at least. Because see, our ultimate this is not a paid version, so it will come sometimes. So ultimately, our goal is to make money, not to go through all the stocks, what are the tips and that, and what are the news. Because basically, I'm an engineer. I'm an engineer in Fortune 500, to be specific in Fortune 50, or to be more specific in Fortune 20 companies of the world. So I don't have that kind of time, basically, that to track all that news or that everything. Like I have tried that price action also. I have tried with various indicators also, and I'm following. I have taken the memberships of the various YouTubers like Anand Ladda. These are all my gurus. So Anand Ladda, then Siddharth, Manushali, Abhishek, and obviously the RSFM, Vishal Mankal. So I have combined the strategies that will work for me. All of their strategies are working, but I was not able to track them properly because of some reason, because I don't have that much time so that I can look over the screen and just say like this economic this price action. Yes, it will go through like this, or it will come like this. It will go up. It will go down. And I have learned one thing, like I'm not interested in predicting the market. So, and I hope for the money making, it is also not required to predict the market. Okay, so we will go through all the stocks one by one, but that homework I have already done, and I will just share you because this is my first YouTube video, and you have to know like what is my strategy, what I'm going to do, and why I'm so much confident about my strategies. So basically, I have figured out some stuff for you. So for the next week, now in my buying radar, so my strategy, they are Dixon. We will start with the Dixon. There are like 10 stocks that I'm going to buy, and I will show you also like yes, I'm actually buying these stocks. I'm not just bluffing because you have to build up. We have to mutually build up the trust. Yes. So Dixon. So this is my indicator that I have created on my own basis, and these are the static supports basically. So what I was doing, like I was following the static supports. These supports are based on weekly or mostly monthly chart, not on weekly, on the monthly chart, and I supposed to trade them on daily basis, on the daily chart. But as I said, like this is also price movement, and I am not able to continue with this because of my work, because I'm not a full-time trader. So first thing first. Yeah, so even if I will remove them, they are not part of my strategy, so that is totally fine. But just I was using them previously, and because of that only they are there. Yeah, and if you want to, if you are interested in learning that also, like how I was doing, so you can just comment that also. I will share that also, like how I was doing, like I have made these lines and how I was getting indication without looking them at all. I will just get a notification like yes, the dictionary is touched here, and most probably it will go up from here. So yes, it was working, but for me, that was how to yeah. So everything works, but I was not able to basically track it. So that was the main problem with me. So because of that, I have created one strategy that I can follow. So probably you must also, because uh, basically I am from process industry. So in that, um, I have to I don't have to use my mobile while I'm on the field because of restrictions, that kind of stuff. And in the office also, I'm not able to constantly track it, like where it is moving in the up or down or what is the exact position. So let's talk about this strategy. So this is my buying indicator. Whenever it will touch one, it will say to buy on the next candle, and this is my back testing that I'm able to. I have called it this indicator, and I'm able to back test it. So how much I did back testing? I mean the duration or the period is from 2009 to 2021 to till date, and based on this, it is showing me like 7 trade I got, because Dixon is comparatively new company. If you see it was the IPO must come in between 2017 September. Okay, so from then to till now, it has given 7 indicators. I mean buy signals, and my success rate is 54 for 14, so which is very good. Profit factor is 2, and I will show you also that I actually did the back testing. So here you can see this is a 2021, and it has started from 2028. So if I will click here, it will show me this date. See, okay. So this means it has started from 2018 to till now. The last it was loss. So basically, share market and the specific stock trading is a game of probability. So what I have set for me is like this is my buying indicator. Then on the next candle I will buy, and what is my target is 20%, and my stop loss is 8%. So it's like 2.25. Sorry, 2.5, not 25, 2.5. And that is the ratio of the profit versus stop loss. So it's like my 20% profit divided by 8% stop loss. So mostly if I am profitable for 57%, so that means I have made a good amount of money. Without looking at chart, that is good for me because I don't have that much time, or my target audience is also I'm targeting that person that they want to earn extra, and even they want to earn more than that the mutual fund returns. Like me, I want to go for more returns than the mutual fund. I don't want to be a billionaire by this. You can be billionaire by following this strategy, but for that you must have that much capital so that you can trade in each and every um, stocks that are that is shown here. So, um, okay, so for Dixon, it is clear. So this is a good profit percentage, and it has given me signal. So from Monday, what I will do is like in the morning itself, I'm using zero graph. So in the morning, I will put the aftermarket order at the market price. So I don't have to look there, like at which price it is opening, like it is gap up, gap down. I don't want to look at that because if you see how a backtest trade is like, you can choose any trade, and in that also, what the price at the what will the price of the buying. So it will be like opening of that candle. It might be high, it might be gap up, it might be gap down. We don't know. So I will just follow that strategy, and I will put the aftermarket order, and then it will be bought as per my quantity. So I also have defined my own quantity because we are trading in huge number of stocks. Obviously, all of them are not going to give me the signal to buy, but even if there are say like 10 to 12 stocks even, so for that, for a person like me, as a retail trader, I don't have that much capital to be frank. So I will share that also, like how much I'm going to trade on which quantity and how I'm derive my quantity, and I will show you my journal also, like all things like why I have chosen this strategy, what are the alternatives, and what are the parameters that I have choose, and why only these parameters, not other one, because I have tested this strategy into another parameter also. Like here you can see roughly like 821, 821. I will share that also, but in the next video. So for this, as of now, we will just focus on what to buy on the Monday. Okay? And the reason is the first one because it is going to it is giving me buying signal. Then it is name India. So all the stocks that you can see are the fundamental one. And here you can see I have removed that uh, static support lines, and yes, so sorry for the interruption. So this is the name India, and this is also one of the good fundamental stocks, and you can see like this also gave me buying signal, and this has given 8 signals with a 75% profitability, so this is very good. You must buy this one. And Supreme Metro that I bought earlier, so it has also given me signals. So this was the last week signals. So I bought it on Monday, last Monday, and you can see 56% with the 25 trades. So this is really good. So up to which percent our strategy works is 35%. So if it is 34, I will not buy. If it is showing 26, that means I will buy. I will take the chance. Ultimately, this is a game of probabilities. So then yes, Motherson Sule. We also got a signal in Motherson Sule, and it is of the 38% with the 34 buying signals. So yes, we'll go with that also. Again, list of trades. So you can see this on 2009. So what I did is like why I choose 2009. So basically, like in 2008 we got a crash, and then market started to recover. Up to 2014, I got I think we got like a bull run, and after 2008, um, I have checked up to 2021. So in that we got bull run of 2014. We got consolidation phase or bear market in 2017 or near about term. Then we got Corona crash. So this is also one of the good thing about this indicator that I will share. Just a glimpse. In 2020, you can see in this crash, it has not generated any kind of signal in the nearby terms. And for some stocks, it has generated signals, but in early stages, it was able to give the signal like yes, you can sell it here. The market might go down, and in that case, it will save you. It will not give you the signal in the case if it is going to be crash. This is a big relief for me. See, in the market, we can do 5 things. We can take huge profit. we can take minor profit. We will not have any kind of profit or another loss also, and we will have a small loss. We might have a big loss. So out of all these five scenarios, we just have to ignore one scenario. That is the fifth one. That is the big loss. Apart from all of that four, you will make money, irrespective of market scenario. Any kind of market scenario, you will make money. And this was the fifth reason that we have to avoid. And this is by using this, we are able to avoid this kind of situation. Okay, so for Motherson Sumi, this is the buy for Maruti. Like in the last week, we got some auto stocks that were going good. And with Maruti, this is 44% with 25 trades, so this is good to go. Profit factor is 2.29. This is also good. Then we have Bata India. This is also the 59% with the 27 trades. So from the last 10 years, this is actually good. And with a profit factor of 3. And actually, I have already bookmarked them with this pop-up list, so it will be easy. For Atul, this is 53% with 28 trades with profit factor of 5, which is very good. We must go for this. And then we have Bell, it's a PSU with 29% with 23 trades, so you can go with that also. KPR Mills, 44%. Yes, you can go with that. 27 trades for the last from the 2009. Prince 5, and this is backed by of course a big bull to Angola. So yes, it is giving me signal to buy, and you can see there is only two trade from 2020 up to 100% profitable. You will see a rare kind of scenario. Here is like two trade with 100%. So this is a mini situation. You must go for this. Then we have Weber Global, owned by mostly, I mean, the major investor is like Vijay Kedia, one of the investors, one of the major one. So it is giving me 50% of percentage with the 14 trades. So this is also good one, good to go. And yes, one more thing. In all that back testing, it is also giving me average bars for that trade for the execution, either it's a stop loss or in the profit. So this is 7 bar. So 7 bar makes like almost 2 months. Like 8 bar is for 2 months. So 1 month less in the 2 months. 1 week in less in the 2 months. So this strategy works for almost like for 2 to 3 months. You will get the execution, either executed in profit or either executed in stop loss. And yeah, this was the last one. Apart from this, if you want to buy MRF, then MRF, we also got this signal, so we'll search why we are not getting MRF. Okay, we will search from here. In the MRF also, there is going to give good percent. So the 27 trades, it is 48%, which is very good. And MRF also going to give a buy signal from here, but MRF is, yeah, is here. Already I have added that into my list, but I don't know, somehow it was not able to search. But its price is like bit high for me. For 85,000 is like very much high for me. So I'm not going to buy at least this one because it doesn't fit in my pocket, to be frank. But it is going to give me good return for sure, for because this is back testing. And this is a back testing from 2009, as I said already, to 2021. And as of now, one trade is already on. for the MRF, and it has given another signal. So, and the profit, you can see here, it's 20, 22, minus 7, minus 7, 22, 19.84 minus 20. So this shows like backtesting is um, really good for the ranges I have set. It is 20 and 8 for the stop loss and 20 for the gain. So you can see it's perfect. And according to this, it is giving me this figures. Okay, so we will end this video here. Hope to see you soon. And I will come back with my strategy video also, like why this only, what are the benefits, and how I'm doing, why I'm so much confident, like it will generate a lot of wealth for me from stock market and without seeing any kind of price action news, nothing. I will back with that video also soon. Hope you will like this. Um, Please subscribe, like, and share. As this is a new one, new channel for me, first channel for me, and I don't have any kind of prior experience in the recording the video, editing the video, or any kind of that stuff. My motto is simple: to make money, and that should be for you also if you want to make money. Okay, see you soon. Bye bye.